G'day. In today's video, I'm just going to be loading up the diagnostics mode or the diagnostics menu on a Sony Xperia XZ1 Compact. And this is the same error message or code that has been around since the first Sony Xperia or the Sony Xperia Z. *#* 737 8423 ###. And there we go. So right now we're in the service menu, as you can see. You go service info, you can check a few different things from there. Model, software, SIM lock, configuration, charging, firmware, and the most common thing that people will be going into will be service tests. So for me, you can pretty much test virtually everything on the phone. But all I want to test for right now is I've put a new screen on here and I want to make sure the earpiece speaker is connected. So I'm just going to go earphone. Hold up here. Yep, now I can go back. Now, as all is working as it should. Touch. Excellent. So anyway, that is the Sony Xperia Diagnostics menu. So I hope that number helps you to test out any faults that you may have with your Sony, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.